Hey, it's Forever Tori, and today we're going to be making a cake in a coffee cup.
You're going to want just a regular size coffee cup.
Yeah, like that.
And for this, we're going to need flour. It would be best if you had self-raising flour, but we just have regular. Sugar, butter, vanilla extract, milk, 2 eggs, and measuring tools. Now, if you're going to make it for one person, then just use 1 egg and half of what we say. So, you're going to have to get 2 tablespoons of melted butter. This microwave's crap. Also, you're going to need a microwave.
And it will look like this after. It should look like that, so don't put it in there too long. It should look like that.
Alright, we only have enough to make 1 for the butter.
Okay, well, then we're making 1 for now.
It's pretty big. And then after the butter, you're going to need your egg or eggs. We're just going to use 1 because we don't have enough to actually make it. 2.
See, there's the egg.
Also, crack it with 1 hand like I did. Just use your fingers as support and then push up with your thumb.
If you don't know how to crack an egg. And also, people get eggshells in it, but if you do it the way he told you, then you don't.
Actually, you might because it's harder.
Well.
Alright, and then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon if you couldn't hear me. I mainly eyeballed that because I spilled. Okay, and then after the vanilla extract, 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Close enough to 1/4.
Now it should look like that.
2 tablespoons of milk. And then 6 tablespoons of self-raising flour. Now, I said earlier you can just use regular flour. And to make regular flour, use a teaspoon of baking powder. And I don't have any of that.
Then it should look like this.
And those weren't full because we kind of don't have the ingredients. Alright, and then just stir that together.
It kind of will look like cake batter because it is.
Also, at the end, the cake might be a little spongy, and it might just because of the flour. I don't know, I've only done this 1 time. Also, if you want to see the real video of this, search up simple cooking mug cake. I'm just trying to work out all the lumps.
Yeah, that's what you want to do, work out the lump so it's not too lumpy.
And then just put it in the microwave for and then put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 40 seconds. Alright, this is being stupid. Alright, now you can stop making.
Hey, our cake is now done. As you can see,
It is kind of weird.
looks weird. And we suggest that you watch the cake because it starts to go up, and if you leave it in there, then your cake will be ruined, and that almost happened to us, but thank God we caught it. Okay, now we're going to try it.
Watch out, you might want to eat this after a while.
Ugh. Okay.
That's good. Try it. Yeah, it's probably better with icing. You can't always add icing.
It's okay. It's
A bit off because we kind of made it wrong. This tastes better than the first time I made it, though.
It does. Yeah. So we hope that you learned how to make a cake in a mug. It's really simple. You only need a couple ingredients, but maybe you want to go to the real video instead of kind of getting it from
10-year-olds?
us. Yeah. 12-year-olds because, but I suggest that you add a little bit of sugar in there before you eating it because it seems like it needs sugar.
Put 1/4 sugar in there.
Well, after it's done. So
That's it.
all right, that's the end of our
Actually,
video.
no, stay tuned to watch because we're going to show you a little funny thing at the end.
All right, we're going to clean up our mess, and then we have a special thing for you at the end.